Hello, I'm Dr. Pete the percussionist.
And I'm Dr. Pete in a different shirt.
And in this session we're going to play a piece of B-Perc, or body percussion, just using hands, feet and our bodies.
For body percussion we need to be sat with space at either side so that we can move our arms and nothing in front of us either, so that we can move our legs up and down like that. Have you got enough space? Right, now for a gentle warm-up. With any physical activity, including music, we just need to make sure that our body is not stiff. So we need to gently warm those muscles up, especially in our arms. We shake our arms. Can we shake our arms? Put them by your side, give them a move about, move those shoulders, get everything quite loose, and then maybe a little bit of moving your legs as well. Is everything loose? Can we move and shake and tap our feet all at the same time?
And stop. We're now going to learn two different beats. The first one uses stamps and claps. And if you need some words to remember the rhythm, we can use stamp, fingers, stamp, clap. Stamp, fingers, stamp, clap.
So we're now ready for beat one. Are you going to try it? Don't forget. Stamp, fingers, stamp, clap. Okay? But we might take that a little bit faster. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, fingers, stamp, clap. Stamp, fingers, stamp, clap. Have you got it yet? Shall we try it one more time? Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, fingers, stamp, clap. Stamp, fingers, stamp. Well done.
The second beat is a longer beat. So the words to this one are: we clap in time, sometimes we go faster. We clap in time, sometimes we go faster.
This second beat, the slightly long one, we need to concentrate for a longer. So watch and I will play this one. We clap in time, sometimes we go faster. We clap in time, sometimes we go faster. Are you ready to all join in with that one? Here we go then. 1, 2, 3, 4. We clap in time, sometimes we go faster. We clap in time, sometimes we go faster.
Music is made up in sections, and between the sections often the drums will play rhythms to show the other musicians in the group where they are in the music. This is called a fill. In our B-Perc music, or body percussion music, we're going to use a fill to show where to change from beat 1 to beat 2. The fill is 5 notes. What will happen next? And then after that there's a slight pause before we carry on again. Or that could be the end of the piece. What will happen next?
What will happen next? Now there's a lot of things going on there. First of all, we're playing hands and feet together. What will happen next? Then there's a pause, or a space before the music starts again. Anticipation. Ooh. Right, are you ready then? So, can we do what will happen next? Pause. What will happen next? Pause. And again. Now we stop at this point. And can we try this now a little bit faster? Right, are you ready? Are we all good for this? So 1, 2, 3, 4. What will happen next? And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will happen next? Stop. You notice I'm not repeating it because it only comes in once and then we're going to something else afterwards.
We've now got 3 body percussion ideas to go. We've got beat 1, which is stamp, fingers, stamp, clap. We've got beat 2, we clap in time, sometimes we go faster. And then of course we've got the fill, which will be what will happen next. So we're going to put those now in an order. We're going to play 7 times through beat 1, and then we're going to play the fill, then 4 times through beat 2, because it is longer, and then the fill to end or to stop.
Are you ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill coming up now. Now beat 2. Fill. And stop.
Not bad, but I think we need to try it again. Are you ready? After 4 again.
1, 2, 3, 4. Fill coming up now. Now beat 2. Fill. And stop.
Well done, everyone. And now we're going to try and split you into 2 groups. That's why there's 2 of me at times. So one side is going to play beat 1. The other side. First of all, we're going to listen to each other. So we're starting with the beat 1 side.
Okay, are we ready? On this side, on only this side. The rest of you, just listen for a moment. We're going to play beat 1. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill. And stop. Now let's listen to the other side, playing beat 2. Are we ready this side? Here we go. This is beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill. Well done, my side. Now can we put both of these together? Beat 1 on one side, beat 2 on the other side. After 4, here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill.
Thank you to everyone for taking part in today's session. Don't forget, you can add more sounds to your body percussion playing if you want to experiment more. You can use your chest or your middle or your knees. You can stamp. I'm not sure about the head. I mean, some people use their cheek. I'm not really sure about that one. Have a go anyway and have a play. Just don't hurt yourself. All right. And hope to see you again soon. We need to try it again. Are you ready? After 4 again.
1, 2, 3, 4. Phil!
Bye for now.